If you're flipping or renovating houses right now, you're probably drowning in spreadsheets, missed texts from tradies, and blown budgets. Meet FlipSync IQ, the all-in-one tool that finally puts you back in control. 9 powerful modules that take you from feasibility all the way to sold and profited. No more chaos. This is your dashboard, your new best mate. Instantly see which projects are on track, which are delayed, how far your workflow's progressed, and a live budget snapshot. One click, and you jump straight into workflow, financials, or team management. The dashboard is where you add new projects. Simply click on the Add New Project button and set a target completion date for the project. The dashboard also houses the Flip and Hold Deal Analyzer, your everyday go-to tool for analyzing deals with velocity. On the Flip Analysis tab, enter in all costs in the buying, holding, rehab, and selling cost sections. Add in your funding details from all sources. Set your desired profit margin, and the analyzer will instantly provide you with a maximum allowable offer simulation based on your after-repair value. Analyze a secondary exit strategy of holding the asset in the same deal analyzer. You can perform and save as many deal analysis as you need. You also have the option to save them as a PDF. Back on the dashboard, each project card has a Download Project button which allows you to export all your project's data in an Excel sheet. You can also archive and delete projects as required. The next project management feature in the app is Workflow Management. It comes preloaded with the most common 23 tasks that most renovations need. Assign tradies, set start and target dates. Watch that progress bar climb and know exactly how you are tracking to plan timeframes. Assigning trades to a task is easy. Simply click on Assign Members, which would load a list of team members that have been added to that specific project in the Team Members section of the app. Multiple team members can be assigned to one task if required. Mark tasks delayed or complete. Delete what you don't need and even add custom tasks specific to your project. Team management is your command center. Add your trades and investors in seconds. Just click Add Team Member, enter their trade, contact details, and assign them to a project. You control exactly what they see. Choose View Only for money partners or View and Edit for tradies needing to check in or upload photos. The system generates a 72-hour invite link you can text straight to them. Once registered, they can clock in, check out, and post updates instantly. Crucially, they only ever see the specific projects and modules you've assigned. You also have complete visibility over who has joined the app and what access level has been granted. Financial analysis is an absolute weapon. Punch in your purchase, renovation, holding, and selling costs, every category broken down properly. Start with your feasibility numbers, then update actuals as you go. You can use all rows independently or choose to use one cell in each category to enter your numbers. FlipSync IQ recalculates profit and ROI. This also caters for flippers using multiple avenues for funds. There are dedicated cells for capturing funds borrowed and their respective interest rates. From bank, private lender, money partners, or using own equity. Once the final sell price is known, you can update the values in the actual fields as indicated and get instantly updated actual results. Next, our investor package lets you curate project photos, comps, and risk analysis into a lender-ready report. Add in your and your team's experience to showcase your expertise and build trust in minutes. Another feature offered by the app is Site Check-in. It keeps everyone accountable. Every team member has the ability to clock in and out. So you've got a full log of who was on site, on what date and time. Perfect for insurance and peace of mind. The next powerful module in the app is Project Updates. This is where you or your trades upload photos, write a commentary, hit post. Time-stamped, tracked, and instantly visible to your money partners anywhere in the world. Remote flipping just became more manageable. Add a project manager handling your renovations to your team. They add updates as the project progresses, and you and your money partners see the updates in real time at your own convenience. Our contacts and quotes modal is your command center for trade management. Instantly log contractor details, store incoming bids, and compare quotes side by side to ensure your budget stays on track. No more scattered emails, just organized, actionable trade data. Finally, our reports modal pulls everything together. With one click, it synthesizes your actuals, progress logs, and financial analysis into a professional, lender-ready report. It's the ultimate tool to radiate authority, build investor trust, and prove your success on every project. FlipSync IQ, real intelligence for real flips. Whether you are at an inspection trying to do the quick math on your mobile, or working away on your laptop, your data moves with you. Stop losing weeks and experience better budget visibility on your next flip. FlipSync IQ is built by flippers, for flippers. Send us an email or visit our website to find out more. Thanks for watching.